Joining us now, ABC7 business commentator Richard Stern. And Richard, the week has just begun. It's just early in the week already, but Wall Street is looking strong.
Don, you've got it exactly right. Up arrows across the board. We opened with a triple-digit gain. The high of the day so far has been plus 130 for the Dow. We're not quite that high right now, but a lot of it has to do with merger mania. Certainly, we heard a lot over the weekend about the proposed buyout, if you will, of Time Warner by AT&T, but that's not the only deal going down. We'll talk about that, and generally, very positive earnings continue. So let's take a look at the numbers as they stand right now. There you see the Dow is up 0.5%, more than 93 points at 18,238.99. That on volume of 377 million shares. The leader for the day so far is the NASDAQ, almost 0.9% better, up more than 46 points, exactly 5,304. That on volume of 801 million shares. The S&P, very much like the Dow, up 0.5%, up 10.5 points at 2,151.71. Well, yes, there are other mergers in the news or buyouts. How about TD Ameritrade buying Scottrade? TD Ameritrade is going to pay $4 billion to buy Scottrade. TD Ameritrade is the largest discount broker in this country based on the number of transactions. Scottrade, which is privately held, has agreed to the deal, which they expect to close by the end of September of next year. A lot of this has to do with the fact that volume is down, volatility is down, and a lot of the traditional financial institutions and brokerage firms are now getting into fee-based managed money, which means there are fewer transactions going on, which makes it more difficult for firms like Scottrade to survive. So, Don, we'll see how that works out, but right now it looks like there's going to be one less discount brokerage firm before terribly long.
All right, Richard, you come back at 5 today to spread the good news again?
One more time, 5 o'clock.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
You're
Richard
welcome.
Stern there.